The error code we're going to be focusing on today's video is the E09 error code, and this simply means that there's a problem with the heating element or the heat pump. So the dishwasher can't heat the water properly, so cycles may stop or dishes may come out cold and not fully clean. And in most cases, the common cause of this is a faulty heating element, which is being shown on your screen here. It's a faulty heating element built into the circulation pump. So other rare causes include wiring issues, a control board fault, or buildup affecting the system. So this is what the heat pump looks like. This is what the heat pump looks like. So when the heat pump is faulty, you're going to have issues with your dishwasher. Now, what are the basic troubleshooting you can do? The first is actually trying to reset it. So you can actually turn off the power at the breaker or unplug the dishwasher for 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Then power it back on and run a test cycle. You could simply do this and it should fix up the issue. Now, an additional check you can perform is if the salt light is on as well, clean the salt sensor. So also ensure you're using the correct detergent and then run a cycle to prevent buildup. You can also clean the interior of your dishwasher as well as the filter. So always try to clean out the filter. You just have to open it up from your dishwasher, take it out, and simply rinse with warm water or cold water to simply remove any debris or any junk that's stuck inside. Now, if this doesn't work, your next best thing or the next best thing you can actually do for yourself is to actually call a pro. So if the error actually returns, the heating element or pump likely needs replacement, so Bosch recommends a professional repair for safety. And that's it, guys. Just call a technician, and that's how you can get the E09 fixed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.